Want to make $10,000 on YouTube without ever showing your face? So stick around, because I'm about to reveal the secrets to building a profitable faceless channel that generates income while you sleep. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to earn money on YouTube without the stress of being on camera, you're in the right place. Today I'll share my proven strategies for creating a faceless YouTube channel that can bring in $10,000 or more. From content ideas to monetization methods, I'll cover everything you need to know in order to start your journey to financial freedom. So let's dive in. YouTube has transformed into a dynamic platform for creators to monetize their content, allowing many to achieve significant earnings without ever appearing on camera. By tapping into creativity and leveraging various content formats, you can build a successful channel that generates income. Here's an in-depth, step-by-step guide on how to earn $10,000 from YouTube while remaining behind the scenes. Understanding YouTube monetization. YouTube has transformed into a dynamic platform for creators to monetize their content, allowing many to achieve significant earnings without ever appearing on camera. By tapping into creativity and leveraging various content formats, you can build a successful channel that generates income. Understanding YouTube monetization is the first critical step. YouTube offers several revenue streams: ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and memberships or super chats. To join the YouTube Partner Program (YPP) and earn from ads, you must meet specific criteria of at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. This threshold can seem daunting, but it sets a solid foundation for your channel. Focus on creating content that engages viewers, as quality content is more likely to be shared, leading to organic growth. Choosing the right content format. Choosing the right content format is paramount. Fortunately, there are numerous avenues that allow you to remain anonymous while still creating engaging videos. Animation and motion graphics can be incredibly effective. Tools like Adobe After Effects or Blender enable you to craft visually stunning animated videos. This format is particularly popular for educational content, explainer videos, and even storytelling, allowing you to present complex ideas in an entertaining way. A good example of this is channels that explain scientific concepts through engaging animations. Screen recording tutorials are another excellent option. With software like OBS Studio or Camtasia, you can create step-by-step guides on software applications, coding techniques, or gaming strategies. Providing voiceovers can help explain processes clearly and keep your audience engaged. This approach works well in niches like tech, where viewers often seek tutorials on new software or gaming tips. For those who prefer a more visual approach without needing to film themselves, compiling stock footage and B-roll is a solid strategy. Many websites offer royalty-free footage that you can compile into thematic montages. This works particularly well for travel videos, nature compilations, or inspirational content. You can pair the visuals with voiceover narration or royalty-free music to create a captivating viewing experience. Slideshows and presentations can also be effective. By using tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides, you can create informative videos on specific topics, such as historical events, scientific discoveries, or even personal finance tips. Compilation videos and top 10 lists are perennial favorites on YouTube. Podcast-style videos are a growing trend. If you have valuable insights or interviews to share, convert your audio content into a video format. You can simply use a static image or a visual waveform to represent the audio. Music channels can also thrive without showing your face. You can create lyric videos, share playlists, or even showcase your original compositions. If you're musically inclined, this is an excellent way to attract an audience while also pursuing your passion. Cooking and recipe videos are popular, and you can easily film the cooking process from a top-down angle. This allows viewers to see the ingredients and techniques without needing to show your face. Using voiceovers to guide viewers through each step of the recipe makes it easy for them to follow along. Building your channel. Once you've chosen your niche, it's crucial to focus on effectively building your channel. Quality should always take precedence over quantity. Invest time in creating high-quality videos with clear audio and sharp visuals. Well-edited content not only keeps viewers engaged, but also increases the likelihood of shares and subscriptions. Optimizing your videos for search engines is also vital. Research keywords relevant to your niche and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help you find trending keywords and analyze competition. Aligning your content with popular topics can boost visibility and attract new viewers. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal following. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to subscribe. Consider creating community posts or polls to foster interaction. This engagement not only helps build a sense of community, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can thus improve your video rankings. Promoting your videos on social media platforms can significantly increase your reach. Share your content on platforms like Instagram, Twitter or X, and Facebook, and join groups or forums related to your niche. Collaborating with other YouTubers or influencers can also expose your channel to new audiences. Establishing a consistent upload schedule is important for retaining viewers. Whether you choose to upload weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, consistency helps set expectations for your audience. Exploring income streams. Once your channel gains traction and you meet the monetization requirements, it's time to explore various income streams. Ad revenue is the most straightforward route through the YPP, but the amount you earn can vary widely based on your niche, demographics, audience, and engagement levels. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. By promoting products relevant to your content, you can earn commissions on sales made through your affiliate links. For instance, if you create tech tutorials, consider linking to software or hardware recommendations. Include clear calls to action in your videos to encourage viewers to check out your affiliate products. Sponsorships can become a significant income source as your channel grows. Brands may approach you to create sponsored content, but ensure any sponsorship aligns with your audience's interests. Selling merchandise is another avenue worth exploring. Platforms like Teespring or Merch by Amazon allow you to create and sell branded products without upfront costs. If you have a catchy slogan or a dedicated following, this can be a rewarding way to earn additional income. If you possess expertise in a particular area, consider offering online courses or consulting services. This approach not only generates income, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare can help you create and sell your courses effectively. Tracking your progress. Tracking your progress is vital for ongoing success. Utilize YouTube Analytics to monitor key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates. Analyzing this data will help you understand which content resonates with your audience and guide you in refining your strategy. Adjust your approach based on viewer feedback and performance metrics to continuously improve your channel. In conclusion, earning $10,000 from YouTube without showing your face is not only possible, but also achievable with creativity, dedication, and a strategic approach. Focus on producing high-quality content. Actively engage with your audience and explore various monetization strategies. Remember that success on YouTube often requires patience and persistence. Embrace the journey, stay adaptable, and with time, your efforts can lead to substantial rewards. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. See you all in the next video.